This video is about the third law and the fourth law of the positive index. Let's look at example 1. Okay, to simplify the expression, let's focus the index 3 and expand it like this one. Okay, and because all the base are 2, so you can apply the first law. Okay, so the power becomes 2 plus 2 plus 2. So the answer is 2 to the power 6. But how to apply this law to replace these two steps? Okay, let's look at this step and the power 2 plus 2 plus 2. In fact, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 3, okay? So, therefore, we can simply say 2 to the power 2 bracket to the power 3 directly equal to 2 to the power 2 times 3. Then the answer is 2 to the power 6. Let's repeat this law. A to the power n bracket to the power n is equal to the a to the power mn. That's mean do the multiplication of the index, so it's become mn. Let's apply the law in this example. Okay, to explain this bracket, we have to apply this law. So the index becomes 3 times 4, so then the answer is x to the power 12. Let's learn the last law of this chapter and look at this example. When there's an index outside the brackets, then we have to apply this law. Then we have to allocate this power 2 to a and to this b to the power 5. That means we have to write a to the power 2 and give a bracket to this b to the power 5 and write down 2 outside the bracket. Then we have to further simplify the variable v by this law. Okay, so this is equal to b to the power 5 times 2. So the answer is a squared b to the power 10. At example 4. Okay, in fact, this law is just the same as the previous one, and we only need to focus the index outside the bracket. Then we have to allocate this index 3 to the number 3 and this y to the power 4. Okay, so we write down 3 to the power 3 over, give a bracket to this and then to the power 3 by using this law. Therefore, the denominator, okay, by this expansion, then you get this is 27, or you can use calculator. Then for the denominator, by this law, then you will have y to the power 4 times 3. So the answer is 27 over y to the power 12. The last example, and be careful of this minus sign. You should know that this minus sign means minus 1. And then focus the index outside the brackets, you have to apply this law. Then you will have this step. And for minus 1 bracket to the power 3, then you should know that it is equal to minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. And then for y to the power 7 bracket 3, you have to apply this law. Then you will have y to the power 7 times 3. So the answer is minus y to the power 21. Okay, how about if the minus sign is outside the bracket? Again, you have to know that this minus sign means minus 1. Because this minus 1 is outside the bracket, then you cannot write it is equal to minus 1 bracket to the power 3. It's just minus 1 here, no power 3, okay? And then for this part, you have to apply this law, so you get it is equal to y to the power 7 times 3. Therefore, it becomes y to the power 21, and finally the answer is minus y to the power 21. It's the end of this video. Hope you understand all the laws of the positive index. Remember to do the pre-quiz, okay? Goodbye.